Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session we will learn about Python JSON topic. So let's start the video. So what is JSON? It is a syntax for storing and exchanging data. It is a text written in JavaScript object notation, and Python has a built-in package called JSON which is used to work with JSON data. Let's see how to convert from JSON to Python. If you have a JSON string, you can pass it by using the json.loads method. For example, import JSON. As I said earlier, this package is imported to work with JSON. Then type some JSON data. For example, x is equals to name colon John, age colon 24, country colon Finland. Then y is equals to json.loads of x. This line converts JSON to Python using JSON loads method. Then type print of y of age. Then now if we compile this, we get the output as 24. Here the given data was written in JavaScript object notation. Through this code we converted JSON to Python and got the output as 24. Now let's see how to convert Python to JSON. To do that, we use a method called json.dumps method. Let's see how it works. Import JSON, then type x is equals to name colon John, age colon 24, city colon Finland. Then now for the conversion part, let's type y is equals to json.dumps of x, then print of y. Now if we compile this, we get the output as name colon John, age colon 24, city colon Finland. Likewise, you can convert Python objects of the following types into JSON string. Through this table, you can differentiate the objects and notation obtained after conversion. You can format the results by making use of json.dumps method. You can also order the result by using the same method, and also you can define the separators, default values such as comma, colon, which means using comma and a space to separate each object, and a colon and a space to separate keys from values. So this was all about the Python JSON. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.